The Dharani of Devi Mahakali. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was sitting at the base of the Bodhi tree shortly after becoming a perfect Buddha. At that point, Devi Mahakali, sovereign goddess of the desire realm, wife of the demon Yama's sister, circumambulated the Blessed One 3 times and sat to one side. Devi Mahakali then addressed the Blessed One, saying, "Honorable One, were I to offer this vija in homage at the Blessed One's feet, would the Blessed One please accept my vija?" The Blessed One replied, "Devi Mahakali, the wife of the demon and Yama's sister, will bind beings up through the heaven of controlling the emanations of others. She will bind beings down through the hell realms. She will bind beings out to the surrounding mountains. Her mantra should be recited as follows: Tadyata Om Ruru Vitishta Vadhotsi Ruru Roru Vitishta Vadhotsi Svaha. By pronouncing this vija, may all fevers, illnesses, plagues, and humoral disorders, as well as all illnesses such as leprosy, boils, skin rashes, and the like, be cured. Svaha. This concludes the Dharani of Devi Mahakali.